PC fans play a significant role in your gaming rig's performance. When it comes to building a PC or even upgrading one, the last thing you'd probably think about is the fans. It's always good to remember when it comes to your GPU and CPU, cool means optimal gaming. The best PC fans do two things well: provides maximum cooling at a minimal noise level. So if you're looking for some of the best PC fans, we've got you covered in today's video.
On Tech Insight, we offer the perfect buyer's guide for all kinds of tech products, including PCs, laptops, accessories, and any other tech gadgets you can think of. Our specialized team of tech experts research and analyze the market and create a list based on pricing, quality, features, and user feedback, ensuring you get the absolute best in each category. To find the best suited products according to your specific needs and preferences, watch the full video and look for the purchase links in the description.
At number 5, we have the Cooler Master MF120R A-RGB cooling fan, the best RGB fan on budget. If you want to cool your PC and enlight the case with RGB lights on a low budget, Cooler Master MF120R is the perfect solution for you. This is a new member of the Master Fan family, providing a specific air cooling solution ideal for CPU coolers and chassis intake fans. Designed for builders with RGB-enabled PCs, you can feel the flow with full color fun and perfectly match your PC's theme. MF120R series is fitted with multiple layers of exclusive noise reduction technologies, a perfect blend of fan blade design that puts together work in harmony to cool your entire case and its components in silence. It comes with addressable RGB that achieves full color customization, and it is compatible with almost all the RGB gears such as Asus Aura, ASRock RGB, and MSI RGB. This fan has a mix of noise reduction technology and sound absorbing rubber pads for peace and quiet even when your PC is working overtime. This fan achieves 59 CFM airflow for reliable cooling, which is surprisingly good considering the price you're paying. It produces only 25 decibels of noise, so you'll almost hear nothing out of it. You can also adjust the fan speed from 650 RPM to 1800 RPM, either minimizing noise or maximizing airflow. The MF120R comes with a smart fan sensor for jam protection, so you never have to worry about your cables getting snagged or components being mugged up ever again. All in all, at a lower price point, this fan offers a lot of features that you can only expect from flagship level fans. So if you're going to build a budget PC, you should definitely check this out to cool down your PC. Next up, we have the Cooler Master Fan Pro 120, the best budget PC fan for ultra-low noise. Cooler Master Master Fan Pro series is the latest and probably the best arrival in the company portfolio, added with one purpose only, and that is to provide a wide range of fans to satisfy every need of a regular user, a gamer, an overclocker. The fan comes in 3 different editions: airflow, air balance, and air pressure, where each serves a specific purpose. The one that we are talking about is the Airflow edition with 48.8 CFM of air pressure for reliable cooling. Master Fan Pro 120 Airflow RGB is designed and manufactured with a completely transparent propeller featuring 9 very sharply angled blades with glossy coating to reduce the air resistance. The most anticipated feature of this cooling fan is the low noise production. It produces only 20 decibels of noise at its high speed, which almost goes unnoticed every time, totally silent if you say. The rotation count goes up to 1100 RPM, which is quite far in our opinion. Another awesome thing about this fan is its sleek RGB effects with a built-in switch to recycle through 3 customizable color modes. And if you want to take the matter in your hand, then this 4-pin PWM fan can be tweaked with a Cooler Master for a more personalized experience. Overall, the Master Fan Pro 120 is a decent case fan that will suit any gaming setup as it has RGB lights too, along with low noise production. Next up, we have the Thermaltake Toughfan 12 Turbo. If you're looking to upgrade your CPU cooler or piecing together a bespoke system, these are the kind of fans you need. In a world where the number of RGB LEDs on a fan is often the main selling point, the frill-free styling of the Thermaltake Toughfan 12 Turbo makes for a refreshing change. These fans are ideal for using radiators and pushing air through grills and confined spaces. The fan comes with some unique specs, featuring high tensile strength and low thermal expansion coefficient materials. The blades of this fan are built with a special liquid crystal polymer. This material minimizes vibration when the fan is operating at full speed. The center stage is constructed with a full steel motor hub, providing enhanced stability and durability. Toughfan Turbo is a PWM-controlled fan with a maximum operating speed of up to 2500 RPM, bringing the users the ultimate cooling experience. It comes with high static pressure and airflow, providing 73 CFM airflow, which ensures ultimate cooling capability to your system. It produces 28 decibels sound, which is not the noisiest cooling fan around. The in-mold injection anti-vibration rubber pads dampen the vibration of the fan, allowing the fan to spin at higher levels without compromising noise levels. High static fans are a necessity for any cooling radiator, so with these fans you are surely getting the max potential out of your cooling system. Coming up at number 2, we have the Corsair LL120 RGB, an A-RGB case fan that delivers quad operation and powerful lighting effects. The 120mm A-RGB fans are engineered for low noise operation without sacrificing performance and will enable you to play games with greater focus. Moreover, you can adjust the rotation speed between 600 to 1500 RPM to balance the noise and airflow. It features dual light loops with 16 vibrant RGBs on both the perimeter and the hub to create a dynamic lighting environment. And with the Corsair iCUE software, the included lighting Node Pro, these RGB fans are capable of offering you an insane amount of lighting effects to sync well with the rest of your PC peripherals. 63 CFM of airflow ensures that all the warm air comes out of your desktop, making your setup thermally stable. On top of that, these fans allow you to build a silent PC as they produce a mere noise of only 24.8 decibels at highest RPM. Each blade has a complement of LEDs shining out from the rotor, diffusing light down the blade's length as they spin. Then a separate ring of light is embedded around the housing's outer edge. As a result, the LL120s are the brightest and showiest fans and a perfect fit for any RGB addict. So if you prefer customizing your gaming peripherals precisely, then you will find the Corsair LL120 RGB fans a perfect fit for your setup. Finally, our top PC fan is the Corsair iCUE QL120. Another set from Corsair, and these fans are currently their flagship RGB fans, and with good reasons. First off, they have a whopping 34 independent RGB LEDs, situated across 4 distinct light loops. Essentially, they have taken what was on the front of their LL series fans we have reviewed so far. This is an excellent addition for many builds that use fans mounted to the bottom of the case as an intake. On top of adding more RGBs, Corsair has also updated the fans with a different structural design and much more. Powerful fans combined with pulse width modulation control ensure that these fans cool your system quickly and efficiently while remaining quiet. Each fan can reach 1500 RPM, pushing up to 41.8 CFM of air to keep all your PC components at their ideal working temperature. What's more, you can cut down on cable clutter thanks to the simple USB 2.0 and SATA connections that, combined with the Corsair iCUE software, means cable management is effortless. These fans also contain rubber on the edge of the blades to reduce fan noise to only 26 decibels. You can also create mesmerizing animated lighting effects that can bring your systems to life with fully synchronized dynamic RGB lighting. Overall, the Corsair iCUE QL120 is an outstanding RGB fan array that gives you excellent cooling performance and amazing lighting control. So, if you're looking to build a solid PC, this one is worth checking out. Thank you for watching the video. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon for instant notifications so that you never miss a video from Tech Inside.